Hey, welcome to Mirrorverse Education. Today, we're looking at combining like terms. Alright, so let's get into it. Our family cabin is owned by every household within the family. And every month, each household transfers money into the cabin fund to pay for the cabin and its upkeep. The cabin already has $4,000 in the account, and then below is the amount of money that each household transfers every month into the cabin fund. So the Christensens transfer 250, the Colsons 210, the Hayeses 450, the Renses 290, and the Walters $350. And again, that's every month how much each household transfers into the cabin fund. All right? And the goal is to write an expression that represents the amount of money in the cabin fund for any number of months. All right? So first thing, we need a variable here. All right? Because there's something that's changing in this scenario. And that is the amount of months that are passing by. Okay? So I'm going to use the variable m to represent the number of months that have passed. So if I want to figure out 6 months from now, how much money is there going to be in the cabin fund, with this expression, we're going to do that really easily. All right? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down a list of how much money each family, each household is putting into the cabin fund. I know it's happening every month. So the Christensens are putting $250 every month, which is $250M. Colson's $210M, $210 per month. The Hayeses $450 per month. The Renses $290 per month, and the Walters $350 every month. However, the $4,000 is not every month. That's already happened. That does not get the M. That's just a constant value of $4,000 that's already in there. Okay? So now we'll write this out as an expression. So like saying, like from a month from now, or 2 months from now, or 3 months from now, how much money is going to be in there? Well, it starts off with $4,000, and then every month, this is what gets added to the fund. The $250 per month, plus $210 per month, plus $450 per month, plus $290 per month, plus $350 per month. All right. So overall, there's $1,550 being added to the cabin fund every month. And again, that's what the M stands for, every month. All right. So we can write this expression as 4,000 plus 1,550 M. All right. So to figure out how much money is in the account, we take 4,000 plus 1,550 times however many months you want to ask about. All right. So I hope this helps. Let's check out another one. All right, this time here you might notice that there are several variables. All right, we have a K, we have some terms with no numbers, and we have another term with an M in there. Or there's actually three of them with M's in there. All right. So the very first thing I'm gonna do here is I want to reorganize all this to where I have each variable in its own little group. So I have all the K's together. I have all the constants together, the non-variables. And I have all the M's together. All right. And then now I'm just going to simplify those terms that have the same variables. Because when we're combining like terms, we can only combine terms with the same variables. Okay? Or non-variables. So the blue, the K's, simplifies into 35K, which means I have 35K minus 10K minus 5K plus 15K is 35K. Then in the red, the constants, I have 1,000 plus 50, which is positive 1,050. And in the greens, I have 85M plus 16M minus 18M, which leaves us with positive 80M. All right. I'm going to rewrite all that to 35K plus 1,050 plus 80M. This works. This is a simplified expression of that original expression. They're equivalent. All right. However, it's not standard way of writing expressions. Usually, we put the constant first or last. Okay. So either we can rewrite it as 35K plus 80M plus 1,050, or we can write it as 1,050 plus 35K plus 80. All right. So one thing of note, every single expression that you see on this page is equivalent. From the question to the groups of blue, red, and green to the 3 expressions in the box. They're all equivalent expressions, okay? However, these 3 that are in the box, in this rectangle, these are simplified versions of the ones above, all right? So, if you want to see more examples like this, or you want to see what we're up to, go ahead and visit us at mirrorverseed.com. And thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Adios.